This is fine-tuning, the process where humans take a model that already learned a great many patterns and then try to make it a little more useful, a little more specialized, or a little less likely to say something feral in public. Fine-tuning is additional training done on a model after the main training is already finished. That is the clean version. The less clean version is that this is where they take the giant general-purpose machine and try to teach it some manners. A base model learns from a huge pile of broad data, books, websites, code, articles, comments, the whole smoking landfill. That gives it wide pattern knowledge. It can do many things: write, summarize, explain, improvise. Occasionally ruin a simple question with unearned confidence, but broad ability is not the same as specialization. Maybe you want the model to sound more helpful, or more formal, or better at legal text, or better at medical terminology, or tuned for customer support, internal company docs, or writing in the exact tone your marketing team insists is human. That is where fine-tuning comes in. Instead of training from scratch, you take the existing model and continue training it on a smaller, more focused dataset. Not to make it a whole new species, just to bend it. A little more this way, a little less that way. Fine-tuning is not rebuilding the machine, it is adjusting the machine after the main construction is done. Like taking someone who already speaks a language and training them to be a lawyer, a customer service rep, or the kind of person who says delighted to assist without vomiting. People hear fine-tuning and imagine magic. It is not magic. It is targeted pattern shaping. You are not creating intelligence from nothing. You are taking a model that already has general capabilities and pushing it toward a narrower behavior. That behavior might be better domain knowledge, better tone, better formatting, better task performance, or fewer answers that sound like a sleep-deprived intern trying to survive on charm alone. Now, important distinction, fine-tuning is not the same thing as prompting. A prompt tells the model what you want right now. Fine-tuning changes the model itself so it behaves differently across many future prompts. One is guidance, the other is alteration. One is asking nicely, the other is opening the machine and adjusting the tendencies. That is why fine-tuning can be powerful. Done well, it can make a model more consistent, more useful, more aligned to a specific job. Done badly, it can make the model narrow, brittle, or bizarrely overconfident about one tiny corner of reality. Because, as with most human interventions, precision is the dream. Collateral damage is the hobby. So what is fine-tuning? Fine-tuning is additional training on a pre-trained model to make it better at a specific task, domain, tone, or behavior. It is not a brand new brain. It is a modified one. The same machine nudged into a different posture until it starts sounding less like a generalist and more like it was built for this one miserable little job.